Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Lens talking to your cluster. Open Lens, add the kubectconfig entry, and pick the context you use. Once done, Lens will fetch nodes, namespaces, and workloads. This initial sync is why you must confirm the cluster is ready. If you have multiple contexts, select the right one now. Make sure RBAC tokens or Cloud IAM roles are available so Lens can read resources. Without those permissions, you'll see limited data and buttons will be disabled. Once connected, navigate the left menu to find workloads, configs, and storage. You'll click a pod, then open logs or hit terminal to exec inside. This explains why Lens speeds debugging. It combines views and actions. Make sure to use port forward for local testing and apply filters or group by label to manage scale. If you edit a manifest in Lens, save and watch the rollout. Lens shows events and manifests side by side, so you know what changed and why the controller. You finish by deploying and monitoring from Lens deployment view. Apply YAML, watch rollout status, and roll back if needed. Once done, use the built-in metrics and graphs to identify CPU or memory spikes and examine recent events to trace issues. Make sure to describe pods for detailed status and open container logs for stack traces. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: check RBAC or Cloud IAM first. Many failures stem from insufficient permissions rather than pod.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.